Oh, so you knew too. Isn't that just fucking wonderful? John, Amelia, did you guys also know? Is this just all a prank where I think that all my friends are coming to say goodbye to each other, but then you all reveal that the only boy I've ever loved is fucking another girl? Oh, what a fun joke at my expense.
Chelsea, I'm sorry.
Richie's sorry, everyone. He's sorry. Amazing! Good for him. Aren't we all so fucking proud?
No, you couldn't have loved me, Chelsea. I mean, you didn't love me.
More than you know, more than you care to see. It's not me, Dick. It's not me who's stuck here bound. No, it's the other way around. I've tried, Richie. I've tried to let you in. Oh, I may seem bitchy. I've tried, but I can't win. I swore looking for an ending, one where you survive. And it's goddamn condescending when you try to say that I'm trying to say, but the words in my head, they won't go away, so I kept us together for years, thinking it's normal to smile through my tears. I mean, it's like